This repair video for the P0171 error code is specifically tailored for Lexus drivers. If your Lexus is showing a P0171 code, this is for you. This means that the PCM is relaying that the engine is receiving too much air into the combustion chamber and not enough fuel. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty oxygen sensor, dirty or faulty MAF sensor, vacuum leaks, clogged fuel injectors, low fuel pressure, clogged fuel filter, faulty fuel pressure sensor, exhaust leaks. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. MAF sensor. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleaned. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. Modify the oxygen sensor. You can remove the oxygen sensor from the converter by putting extra space between the sensor and the converter. And now getting the smart plug non-fouler is now having enough space to fit into the oxygen sensor, and then use a 1/2-inch drill to refit it. By doing this, put them together and put back on the catalytic converter. Oxygen sensor replacement. Carefully remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter and visually check the oxygen sensor electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. This error code comes in various car brands like Toyota, Honda, Ford, Chevy, Nissan, and many more. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.